What is up guys, it is Daniel Lewis back with another video, and in this video I'm going to teach you 5 side hustle ideas you can start using Fiverr for passive income. Now before we get into this video, make sure you drop it a like, comment any of the side hustles that you have or you've tried using Fiverr, and also subscribe to the channel. The first side hustle is digital personalized drawings and portraits. Now this is a very simple business idea, but it's actually so effective and you can make a good amount of money. All you need is an Etsy store. So you're gonna create an Etsy store, call it whatever you want, something to do with digital portraits or digital pictures or something along that line. You're then gonna create a listing on Etsy with some examples of the stuff that you're selling. So once you receive the order from the customer, you're then gonna get their picture that they've chosen to be changed into a digital portrait or a digital drawing, whatever it is, and send that over to Fiverr. You're then gonna pay this Fiverr creator to create the drawing for you. Once a Fiverr creator actually created that drawing, you're then going to send it back to the customer. If they're happy, you'll then confirm the purchase and it is all done. It's that simple. So you get a picture from the customer, send it to the Fiverr artist, they're going to draw it for you, send it back to the customer, use on zero work. So with these pictures, if you actually go and look on Etsy, you're going from about 15 to 50 pounds, depending on how many people are in the picture, the actual specific drawing, whether it's a portrait, a faceless portrait, a pencil drawing, whatever it is, you can actually choose that yourself. It's then going to cost you roughly £10 to be created. That's all fees. So with this, you can make anywhere between 5 to around about £40 profit per photo. And if you look on Etsy, there's some listings there with 40,000 plus sales. That's the basis of this business, and it's very simple, but here is actually how to scale that if you're interested in starting it. So to scale this, I would recommend creating a social media account for Instagram and TikTok. This is going to be your 2 best platforms to start and actually grow this business. So you're going to create a TikTok theme page and an Instagram theme page, and on them theme pages, what you're actually going to do is just upload some examples of some of the stuff that you're selling. But not only that, I would recommend, to catch people's attention, is get pictures of famous people or people that are currently trending at the moment in time. Get faceless photos of them created or portraits of them created and upload them as a video on TikTok or a reel on Instagram or just an Instagram picture, and try and get attention that way and drag it to your Etsy store. I guarantee that will work amazingly. Now the next side hustle number 2 is again something digital. It's digital planners and calendars. Now I actually didn't know much about this until I looked into it, and I realized there is so much money to be made with this. People are all over this. I thought people just stuck paper calendars or paper planners, but honestly people use these all the time. So this is very, very similar to the digital portraits and the digital drawings. However, the ROI on this, or the return on investment, is a lot higher, because instead of having this created every single time for each individual customer, you'll have one planner and one calendar created, and you'll just use that exact same one over and over again for every single purchase. So you don't have to pay £10 every time you get a purchase. It'll be a one-time payment to Fiverr, and then once you've got that PDF, you'll then just send it off every time you make a sale on Etsy. You can make a lot more money this way. Very similar. You're going to create an Etsy listing again. Once that Etsy listing has then been created, you're going to go to a Fiverr, get a planner created for you, or a calendar, whichever one you choose, or even do both. I'd recommend doing both personally. Upload them. When you get sales, send them off. So now, paying for these calendars and planners, the price can really, really vary. For a half decent one, £30. For amazing planners, 100 page planners with stickers and stuff, they're the ones that you really want. They can cost upwards to £100. Now I know it seems like a lot, but then you can then sell these for £10 to £30 per piece. Personally, how I would actually try and scale this, so now you've created it, you're getting some sales, but to actually really scale this, and again, you want to create social media accounts, Instagram and TikTok, even Pinterest for this. Pinterest would be a really powerful one, because a lot of people that are into like these digital planners and like these quirky things go onto Pinterest. If you don't really know how to use Pinterest, go and watch some videos on that. I don't have any videos myself, but I'll recommend some in the description below. Specifically, what I would do is I would make a specific theme page for both Instagram and TikTok, and make specific planners. So for example, teacher planners, fitness planner, or a life planner, or a entrepreneur's planner, whatever it is, I will make very specific, and then make a specific theme page for that on Instagram and TikTok. So you're trying to hit a specific niche. I guarantee you'll get more sales that way than, you know, just having a planner for everything. Don't get me wrong, on your actual Etsy store, have a planner for everything and have different planners, and maybe even have different theme pages, but I would recommend sticking to a specific niche on your theme page. Side hustle number 3 here is going to be YouTube automation. Now I know you might have heard about this one quite a lot. You can create all these videos yourself, and I just want to let you know, any of these side hustles you can start without Fiverr, but these are all fully automated, no effort from your side, just the money. So if you have money but not a lot of time, like me, I have more money than I had time, I can do this rather than spending a lot of time trying to create this kind of stuff. You can't do all this without Fiverr. So personally, I love this kind of side hustles because YouTube is so powerful. The amount of money you can make from YouTube ads is ridiculous. However, with this specific side hustle, it's going to take a lot more commitment. You're not going to see any results for quite some time. It could take 6 months to a year before you even start to see any kind of money coming in from this. If you want fast money, I'd recommend sticking with the Etsy stuff, but if you're willing to put in a little bit of time, a little bit of effort, then this is a really great way to try and create a lot of income. So this is how it's going to work. You're going to first need to do research into a specific niche or a specific channel idea that you want to stick to. With YouTube, sticking to a niche is the most important part. I have created a video on how to grow your YouTube if you really want to. I'll link that in the description below. So YouTube automation, otherwise known as YouTube cash cow videos or YouTube top 10 videos, they've always been popular, and I guarantee you've probably watched them, like top 10 scariest moments, top 10 films on Netflix, I don't know, something along those lines. You've probably seen them before, and they're the kind of videos you're going to be able to create. Very simply, you've got to create a YouTube channel. Once you've got that channel, head over to Fiverr, find a Fiverr creator that can create these kind of videos for you, pay them, I'll upload them straight to YouTube. It is literally that simple. Now, how much you can make here is a complete estimate. However, YouTube pays roughly £1 to £5 or $5 per 1,000 views that your channel gets. Now, there is channels out there, if you stick to a specific niche, get a lot more. For example, finance niche or entrepreneur niche, business niche, them kind of niches, the ones that include a lot of money, they're the ones that get a much higher return on your videos. For example, I've seen people with £30 to £50 to £60 per 1,000 views, which is absolutely ridiculous. That is possible to make, but with these videos, these kind of cash cow top 10s, I would expect between £1 to £5 per 1,000 views, closer to the pound. The cost to make a video from Fiverr is going to be roughly £10 to £40 per video. Definitely recommend going on the higher end, they're going to the £40. They're much higher quality videos. I have looked at some of the £10 ones. Quality is not the best, the videos they use aren't the best, the voiceover that they use isn't the best, and like the research they do into the video isn't the best. So I would recommend going to the higher, paying a little bit more for this. With these YouTube automation channels, you're going to want to be creating at least a video to 2 videos per week. So this could be possibly almost £100 per week to run this channel. So you're going to run about £400 a month. So if you've got the money to spend £400 per month every single month for the next year, so about £4 grand invested into this channel, then go for it. However, if you don't have that kind of money, that kind of commitment, you know, maybe this isn't the best cycle to use. Now, this is how to scale it, and this is what I would recommend doing. So you've got the full length videos. I would now then cut these videos down into shorts, upload them as YouTube shorts, also upload them as TikTok, so create a little TikTok account and upload them to Instagram Reels, but then also upload the full length video onto Facebook as well. Doing this is going to have another 4 ways that you could possibly get people to your channel to subscribe, to get you to that 1,000 goal quicker and the 4,000 watch hours. But not only that, you can get AdSense from Facebook, AdSense from TikTok, but you can also get, like, you know, let's say you got the TikTok going, you can get sponsorships and brand deals on there, you get sponsorships, brand deals on your Facebook, on your Instagram, your YouTube, whatever it is. Definitely room to make money there. Side hustle number 4 is TikTok automation. Now, this is very similar to YouTube. However, the cost to start this is a lot less. So unlike YouTube, it's £40 per video to be created. TikTok, you can get videos created for £1 and under. TikTok is easily becoming one of the biggest platforms out there. How it works is simply create a TikTok page, go onto Fiverr, find someone that's going to create these TikToks for you in a very specific niche. You might want to create SpongeBob TikTok theme page, football TikTok theme page, motivation TikTok, fitness TikTok. That's fine, but you need to stick to a niche because in the future, it's going to benefit you a lot. So this is how much you can make from TikTok. The actual view to money ratio is not the best. Per 1,000 views you get on TikTok, it only equates to around about 2 to 4 pence. You heard that right, you get 2 to 4 pence per 1,000 views. However, getting views on TikTok is a lot easier than it is on YouTube. You know, you see accounts all the time that have millions and millions of views on TikTok, don't have a very big following, don't have any social proof, like it might be like the first or second video, whereas YouTube, that happens very rarely. With TikTok, it's more like, well, we'll put it out there, if it gets a few likes, okay, we keep pushing it, if it gets a little bit more watch time, keep pushing it, and before you know it, you got millions of views. So I know it's not crazy in regards to the money sense, but this is so scalable. It takes like the least amount of time out of all of these side hustles, and the potential really is there. This is how you're going to scale this, make a good amount of money from TikTok. So first, stick with one page. What you're going to do with that one page is upload it onto Instagram, Reddit, YouTube, Facebook, all these different kind of social platforms. Again, recycle the content. That's what you want to do. Once you get content created for one thing, keep reusing that as many other times on other platforms. Grow your platforms anywhere else. In TikTok, you need to have at least 1,000 followers to have a clickable link in your bio, and then 10,000 followers to get into the TikTok creator fund. Then once you've you've actually grown this, you then want to use affiliate links. Affiliate links is where you recommend products to people. If they click it, you make a small commission. They purchase it through your link. Also then sponsorship deals and things of that nature. I'd say once you get accounts around about 100,000 followers, which isn't insane. I reckon you can do that within a few months. You can then look at generating between £200 to £500 per page. I say per page. Once you've got £200 to £500 for this one TikTok and someone else is creating videos for you, all you're simply doing is uploading them, start another TikTok theme page. Then start another TikTok theme page. Let's say you have 5 of these TikTok theme pages, which wouldn't be hard to run because someone else is making the content for you. You can then generate between £1,000 to maybe £5,000 per month from these TikTok theme pages. I know that sounds absolutely insane, but affiliate links on there, sponsorship deals, the amount of views you can get, so the money you can get from literally just the creator fund is unreal. But then the other platforms as well that you're then going to try and monetize, like YouTube Shorts, your Instagram, that can then be monetized for shout outs or again brand deals, whatever it is. There's so many opportunities here and so many ways you can generate money from this. So this side hustle is actually one of my favorite side hustles in this video. The last but not least side hustle is Amazon affiliate website. Now this is probably the hardest one to scale. Yes, YouTube probably takes like the longest. Traffic's already going to be coming to YouTube as it is. However, this affiliate website, it's hard to get traffic to a website that is not known, especially on Google. You know, there's millions and millions of different websites, so it's really hard to drive traffic. But this one could have such a high turnover, and I'm going to tell you exactly how you can scale this to get people to the website. If you know what Amazon affiliate actually is, again, affiliate marketing. So if someone clicks on your link, purchase something off Amazon, you then get a small commission. But the beauty of Amazon affiliate is if they buy anything within 24 hours on Amazon, you will then still get a commission. So you might be advertising books. They click on a book, they go, actually I don't want a book, but now I'm here, I want, I don't know, a camera. You will then make money from them buying a camera. You know, you might only be promoting £10 books. They buy a £500 product, you make a 2% commission. You know, you're making what you would have sold the full book for, like as if you were selling the book yourself. So there is endless opportunities here. So how it actually works, and it's probably one of the easiest ones in regards to setting up, you're simply gonna go onto FIVERR, ask them to create your website. Once you created it, you're gonna take it, it's now live. All you gotta do is try and promote this website. The way of actually trying to scale this, so you've got the website now, all set up. You just need to find a way of getting people to your website to start clicking. They don't even have to buy, they're just getting traffic, they're clicking, they're sharing products with their friends, going to start generating sales, and it's not gonna take a very long time to do it if you do it this exact way. So what I want you to do, again, I want you to create social platforms. Social platforms are the best way to drive traffic nowadays. You know, you've got to create social proof. It's no longer just ads anymore or flyers or, you know, old style like in the newspaper. It's social media platforms. What you actually do is specific. In regards to the actual affiliate site, the website that you're getting created, I would recommend creating one that is a very, very specific niche. So like a fitness affiliate website, so Amazon fitness products, just that. Or maybe it's pet stuff, or maybe it's camera gear. I don't know, whatever it is you specifically choose. So choose a niche specific to that. Let's say we're going with fitness here. So you've gone onto FIVERR, you've paid the FIVERR, create you a very specific fitness affiliate site. Now what you're gonna do is create a fitness TikTok, create a fitness Instagram, create a fitness Reddit, create a fitness, whatever it is, other social media, a fitness Pinterest. I recommend Amazon fitness products within your social media. So it could be, for example, you might post some motivational TikToks here and there, and you might post someone's really good workout or whatever it is. Then every so often you might throw in this Amazon find that you need, or these Amazon gadgets you need for the gym, and then kind of like make a little video out of it, a little TikTok out of it. You might even order that specific Amazon product, make a little TikTok out of it, and then upload it and get sales going to your website. Say if you want it, link is in my bio, go to your link, then they see all this other fitness gear, they then click, they purchase, might not even purchase, you just click, and then they purchase something within the next 20 hours. You're now making commission, you're driving traffic to this website. That is exactly how you want to do it. If you want a full video though on any of these side hustles, let me know, I'll get creating them for you. I hope this video helped. I hope you've seen some new ones here, and give them a try. Let me know if you do try them. I'd love to see people succeed with these. So just drop any like for this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment anything you want. Peace.